Are you still stuck applying to LinkedIn jobs with that easy apply button only to get another rejection email? And let's be real, how much time you are wasting finding, curating, and applying for the right jobs that match your skill? What if I told you there's a smarter way? Meet N8N LinkedIn Job Automation. This tool automatically finds the best fit jobs for your profile through a custom RSS feed, sourcing the most relevant recent job postings. But that's not all. It goes a step further by evaluating and scoring your resume against the job description so you know exactly how well you fit in the role. Once it's done, it adds everything: job title, description, rating, company name, and even benefits into a neat Google Sheet and even personalize your cover letter. But wait, you want to level up even more? Take it to the next level with Heygen. Create your personal AI avatar that generate a video resume that summarize your qualification and leaves a lasting impact on potential employers. Want to work smarter, not harder in your job search? It's time to stop guessing and start automating with N8N and Heygen. The job of your dreams might just be one click away.